The All Progressive Congress APC don wrap up their word-to-word campaign for Edo South Senatorial District with one big event for Ovia South West local government area. The local government area get 10 wards and dem divide them into 4 main areas for the campaign wey be Use, Ugbogui, Udo and Igoubazuwa, wey also be the hometown of the party's deputy governorship candidate Right Honourable Dennis Edo South. For each place, supporters come out in large numbers to show support for their local candidate and back the APC agenda for the upcoming election. But let's switch the residents as the people gather for their towns to welcome and support Right Honourable Dennis Edo South, where them they see as key person to push the party's interest forward for the area. Right Honourable Dennis Edo South for in talk for all the different locations come here and say Senator Monday Okpebholo governance go reach beyond Edo Central to cover all Edo State. Both Honourable Edo South and Senator Okpebholo come promise say their administration go focus on developing the whole state.
Because of our brothers and sisters that might not understand Bini, permit me to speak Bini 50% and English 50%. First, I am going to speak English. We are here today by the grace of God with the leadership of our great party, APC, to present to you my principal and my humble self as the governor and deputy governor of Edo State. We have been running elections that will be good, you will know, during the campaign. Everywhere we have been to, in all the 3 senatorial districts of Edo State, they have shown us love. They have shown commitment. They are passionate about this next election. You know why? This election will define our future. Are you ready to vote? Igoubazuwa West and East, are you ready to vote? This election will determine the future of ourselves and our born children. May God not let affliction rise for the second time. Obaseki came from Lagos. We never knew Obaseki from Adam. But Adam introduced Obaseki to us. Now, Obaseki came and destroyed all the institutions. About 6 months ago, I was able to put something on the budget because I've been around all the schools in my federal constituencies. And I realized our pupils are sitting on the floor to learn. And I was able to construct about nothing less than 1,000 school desks. But Obaseki instructed through the Commissioner of Education never to allow those chairs in the schools. Is that a good governor? All the good things that we have experienced in Ovia came from APC government. The road to Siloko, from Igoubazuwa to Siloko, who constructed it? The solar street light at Igoubazuwa here, who did it? Senator Matthew Uroide brought this street light on Igoubazuwa road. Now, your son, even this facility where we are currently hosting the leadership of our party, who constructed the buildings here? I've made you people proud as Igoubazuwa tried. Now, if you can trust me as a House of Rep member, and I've been able to make you proud, even exceeded your expectations. If I become the next deputy governor of Edo State, with my principal backing me, I will turn Ovia South West as one of the By the grace of God, my principal told me that he's going to fight insecurity head on. We are from the agrarian communities. I went to school through the proceed of farm. And as of today, Our parents can no longer go to farm. He said as the governor of Edo State, for the first 3 months, he's going to clean all our forests to make it safe and sound for our parents to go back to farm. Let me not speak too much. Other people that know me, and I know now. Now, permit me to speak my language. Ovia South West. I don't worry about you. He has shown a Igoubazuwa. Our people, like I said, the Maya define Amanonia Tora. Opasaki there to all Kekoate, Imame with Obaseki Omanomute of Worship Obaseki. Guy, Enuwamae, Aswen was one of the ET in Okomu Oye. Oribe Pania, Honor resigned as Honor we are contest. Honor we Mwamawere from people to see people. Honor Yamuyiva. He already do him out of business. But he might tell me how Oriti Kolofia on the very worker. Your light is shining. Your light is shining. Why am I saying this? You have a son that understands politics. This election, we must win it. For one reason, we need development in our land. Is that not so? For one reason, we need our Monda, our retirees, to be paid their salary. For one reason, that our teachers, we will employ teachers into our schools and pay them their full salary. For one reason, we will buy buses to our schools. I want to tell you that insecurity will be a thing of the past in this land, because we will pursue them, we will spot them out wherever they are. I will declare state of emergency on insecurity. Your son is in the same boat with me. Yes. We are going to move Edo State forward. Edo, we must move forward. Edo must move forward.
Senator Adams Oshomole will also join the campaign. Konya the people say the APC candidate go solve their problems and keep to their promises. He come also stress say the party they bring a governor will really care about the people.
The difference between an executive governor that execute projects and MOU governor that deal with paperwork. He didn't execute schools. He didn't employ teachers. He didn't provide water. He jailed women for 20,000 fine. He did all kinds of terrible things. He's arguing and fighting with the Oba of Benin. Parliament traditional ruler wasting everything. He's grabbing people's land, rendering landowners to become tenants of their own land. He's even fighting youth in the communities called Germany. If he can see God, you know what? Person will swallow broken bottle. He must tear it belly. And you have the power. You have the power. The atomic power that every dictator, every bad person in democracy is afraid of. Is your PVC. But let me ask before I go and roll out the ammunition. How many of you have the weapon called PVC? Are you ready to use it? Are you ready to use it on September 21st? kick away the man who is enemy of the land. And enthrone a man from a very humble background who comes from rural Edo, who has been to the stream to fetch water. And so he understands when villagers say they need water. A guy who has gone to carry cassava from the farm, so he understands when women farm and they cannot carry the farm produce to the market. A man who lost his parents, but he didn't lose his future. He worked hard, and today he's not only a senator, he's a senator that has performed, he has delivered. We are talking of a man who has the sympathy for children. Do you know, Monday, let me tell you why I carry these babies. How many rallies do you go to and you have babies attending? Even children, in their heart, they are praying for you. What more can we ask? But they will go through their mother and their father. And I want them to say when they become old, they say when they were 9 months old, one short man who was the governor came here. All of them will be governor one day. They will be ministers. But not only for mouth, to use it to bring development to this land. I am proud to be able to associate myself with a colleague and a brother in the red chambers in Abuja. Senator Igoubazuwa representing Edo South and my husband sir representing Edo North. We are already representing 2 senatorial zones, and the third one was being represented last year by Senator Matthew Orohide, back to back for 8 years. So when we say we speak for our people, we have been so mandated to do so. So why we don't go do so? Why we go fear to do so? And I know that suffering you have suffered for 8 years is meant to embody you to come out and vote. Even if you drink by wine like me, go and vote before you go home and drink the palm wine. But don't drink the palm wine until they have counted the votes. And you know we have won. Then you will enjoy the palmy well. I am happy to present to you a man who will undo every evil that Governor Obaseki did. A man who will fill the gap to guarantee education for your children by ensuring that he will build new schools and employ more teachers, because you understand that a building without teacher is just like a shell. And this is a state that has borrowed money from the World Bank in the name of Edo Best. If that is Edo Best, he is the worst human being that has happened to Edo State. But Monday, you know they have changed your name, they baptized you now. It's now Agbako Rescue. I have enjoyed your votes before, and I, not once, not twice, I want to assure you, this man who look like me, but this one, to be honest, this is a new model. That is why, hello, look the word, modern. Is fully modernized and now fully modified. That's why I can take the drink. See what I mean? You have seen how it's not just about building roads, those are important. Providing water, that is important. Ensuring there is electricity, that is important. Dealing with security without buying proper shop for young boys and paying the 30,000 which they can use for crime. Stopping all of those are important. But even more important is to have a governor that cares. A governor that goes to bed concerned about the welfare and the well-being of his people. You have to live on the land. You are not living on government salaries. The only property God has given you, which nobody should take and nobody will be allowed to take it, is your land. Now you have a governor who wants to make you tenants in your own land. That is the root to what they call greedy poverty. In this human being, the next governor, we have somebody who comes from a rural area. Your background matters. What your mother taught you, what you saw in your neighborhood, your own life experiences influences your character. He has gone to the stream to fetch water. He understands what waterborne diseases mean. Why we should not allow children of today to go to the stream. To avoid that, you must produce water. He has seen tomatoes rotting away in his village because there is no road to take the tomatoes to the market. So if you say you need rural road, he understands. He spent a time while he was young. He had to attend government school that were well equipped. He didn't pay school fees. So if you say you need your schools to have qualified teachers so that the son or daughter of Udo farmer shall rise to become president of Nigeria, he understands. Because he comes from that background, now he's senator. And by the special grace of God using you as the instrument, he's going to be the next governor. That is what you call upward mobility. Government must break the concrete ceiling that detains of people in perpetual poverty and allow a few to remain at the top. And the result is that no one man is safe if every other person is hungry. We can already see it. 10 kg bag of rice is not an alternative to teaching you how to farm. But even the 10 kg this government is stealing it. Stealing palliatives. After stealing the big tea, taking your land, you not do it, now he's taking rice. Is that not madness? Is that not what you call crazy? He gets out the way mechanic be talk. He say if he wear dirty cloth, not say the craze. Now nature of his work. But if you don't do that work, but they no go there for road. So many people don't think say because they can wear double-breasted suit. I was wearing khaki as governor, not because I can afford the best suit, and I can dress well. Oh, if I show you my marriage photograph, you go think say. But you see, it is just about looking simple, so that people can feel that they are equal to you. You can hear them, they can hear you, and you can have feeling. So we need a complete break from government of MOU by MOU for the benefit of consultants. Edo money must be spent in Edo State and to circulate in Edo State in order to erase poverty in our rural communities.
Ogbonge leaders wey also yarn the party face with the message na campaign director general Senator Matthew Rohide, senatorial district leader Pius Odubu, leader Pastor Osage Ize Iyamu, Omosede Igbenedion, among others.
All the good things that you people have in Igoubazuwa East, Igoubazuwa West Ward, and Umata, that the things we do for now. And I want to tell you that we don't need to go and serve anybody or any party that has not helped you. Are you hearing me? Do not vote for PDP. Do not vote for Ashley Igoubazuwa. They don't mean well for our land. They don't mean well, but rather vote for APC. If Dennis Igoubazuwa is our next deputy governor, what do you think will come to this land? You don't need to waste your vote there. All the people in Edo North, Oshobere is their leader. They are supporting Dennis Igoubazuwa. All the people in Edo Central, they are supporting Igoubazuwa and Dennis Igoubazuwa. So they are now telling us from Edo South that we should go and get all of our votes and give because Dennis Igoubazuwa is from our senatorial district.
I'm happy to see the turnout here in Udo today because these Udo votes, they give PDP wahala. As they come like this, everywhere scatter. So this time around, Ovia agenda, I'm here. DENCO is here. There's nobody on the other side. Please, I came to APC to join my brother for the Ovia agenda. Ovia, we get agenda. Thank God say they choose deputy governor from Ovia. And so, look, we are not going to have it better than this. This is it. We have 2 people here from rural communities. Just like Udo is a rural community that understands what you need. They're not coming here to speak Oyibo for you. They're coming to work. And you've seen DENCO working in Ovia before. You've seen me working in Ovia before. And by the special grace of God, Ovia is going to be number 1. Vote for APC. Thank you very much.
This man, not the only body. Now it is over Shomole for mind. He gets good mind when they tell they work for people. Government not be about profit making, not to look after the people, not to protect property, not to speak grammar. This man, not gonna go see what he don't do for Isha. So now we go call him. May he go do what Shomole don't do for Edo State. And I hear this believe people say we will not Ekwe Nasa. Now we hear say that in our land, PDP Obaseki don't take off. Maybe so. Okay, make an answer our incoming governor. How you go do am? I want to comment. PDP is a bad party, wicked people. Since I'm sure that me come out for government, people say government not there, don't say it again. You see, waiting on the dress come ring at that time. When they take picture for water fountain. On the sea and again. She's like to come. See what I do. Not the Shomole. Waiting, Obaseki and PDP don't do for now.
During the campaign, some people wey dey from the opposition parties come also join body with APC as dem promise to support and protect the party's vote and help make sure say the party win the elections.
They say na leader wey dey try. My madam decamp, we dey have an issue between ourselves. But I say based on who they try, not they follow. If your leader is trying, follow him or follow her. Because I don't want to leave her outside. Anyone should go. I want to be there with her. Now I know saying that we carry PDP come with them. Now we be on ground. As I break out, 1 million break out. Take it or leave it. Thank you.
My name na Comrade Samson Yambo, the unstoppable dynamic PDP youth leader Siloko Ward Ovia South West. And presently, I want to tell you that PDP is no more alive. It's already a dead political party. Youth, I want to ask you, the same people they tell us say youth are the leader of tomorrow, but they no want leave office for people. For PDP, una free youth where they contest. But for APC, our deputy governor not be youth. If he go become deputy governor, we not say youth don't grow. We not say youth don't empower the youth. So I want to use this opportunity to tell you that I am decamping from the People Democratic Party (PDP), coming to join my force with APC to vote Monday for governor from September 21st.
My name is the ruling party that will come on board as soon as possible. So, you are all welcome and I welcome. I appreciate you. Thank you. You must vote APC. We have joined APC. Now APC is a winning team.
After the campaign, the team can go visit the palace of His Royal Majesty Oba Oluogbe II, the Elawure of Usen, and the Adionwere of Igoubazuwa Pa Edoga Bare Igbinovia to receive royal blessings. They come also commission the new Udo Town Hall, where Senator Matthew Rohide facilitate to let the people know say the party they boost local infrastructure.
DENCO deputy.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Ovia South West local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.